Hi, I'm Sean Mahabir. Watch as I show you how to install a long-arm keyed gun cable lock into a break barrel shotgun. As a first step, make sure the gun is pointed in a safe direction, completely unloaded, and the safety is set. After opening the breech, insert the cable through one of the barrels, feeding the cable through until it exits. Then, insert the loose end of the cable into the padlock. Turn the key counterclockwise, remove it, and make sure the cable is secure. Store your locked firearm and the key in secure, separate locations, away from ammunition, children, or unauthorized adults. Thank you for watching, and stay safe.